So today I am gonna demonstrate to you our project, which is binary to decimal converter. So first here is our code for our project here. Then let's try to run it. Windows. Let's go to CMD CD desktop. Next is NASM win32 and then binary.asm. Next GCC minus 0 print binary.obj. Next print. So here is our menu for our project, which is binary to decimal converter. So let's try option number 1, converting binary to decimal. Then we'll see a prompt here, enter a binary number, only zeros and ones. So let's try 100 1100. So here is the decimal representation is 266. Next, let's option number 2, converting decimal to binary. So we're gonna check if the binary of 266 is the same in the option number 1. So let's type 266. So as you can see, it goes 100001010. Is this one is the same as this one. So that's it. And then let's try option number 3. Option number 3 is it says that enter a decimal number. So let's try number 24. So as you can see, here is the binary representation of number 24. So and then option number 4, count number of ones in binary. Enter a binary number, only zeros and ones. So let's try 0, 1, 1, 0. So here it says that the number of ones in the binary is 9. Let's count the number of ones in this binary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's correct. And then number 5. I know. For number, I entered option number 1. Enter a binary number. Let's try to input a non-binary number like this, 26. So this is the error handling. It appears to be invalid binary number. Please use only zeros and 1. And then let's try option number 4. Enter a binary number. Let's try 25. If it's error, the number of ones in the binary number is 0. So that's it. Number 5. Let's try option number 7. This will appear in the invalid input. Please enter a valid option. So that's it. Let's try to enter option number 5. Exiting the program. Goodbye. So that's it in our project.
Welcome to the binary to decimal converter. So, ito po yung final project namin na code. So, nandito po yung data section, BSS section, and text section. I-try po natin siyang i-run. Siyempre, unang gagawin natin is save as. Tapos punta tayo sa CMD. CD desktop. Nasa F332 plus binary TSF. So, next po is GCC O print tas binary tas print. So, unahin natin po yung 1. Tapos, enter binary number. 01101. Tapos, enter. So, ito po yung magiging decimal niya is 55. So, try natin po yung 2. Then, enter 217. Tapos, enter. Yung magiging binary niya is 1101. So, yung 3, try po natin ng 19. So, ito po yung magiging binary niya. Tapos, try po natin yung 4. Then, enter any number na may 1 po. Tapos, enter. So, ito po yung result niya, 8. Tapos, ito po yung exit, yung 5. So, ito po exit.